Combining polynomials. First thing, distribute the signs, and then all you have to do is just combine like terms. So here we have to simplify this. If you see no sign in front of the parenthesis, that's a positive. So positive times positive 6, we have 6x to the second. Positive times positive 5 plus 5x. Positive times negative 4 minus 4. Here we have a positive again in front of the second parenthesis. So here we have positive times negative, negative 8x, 2. Positive times negative minus 3x. Positive times positive plus 5. And now we just have to combine like terms. So we have x to the second, we have 6 and minus 8 plus we have x, we have 5 and negative 3 of x plus, and we have numbers. We have negative 4 and positive 5. Different signs, we look for difference, which would be 2. We had more negative, so it's negative 2. X to the second. Here we have more positives, so it's plus 2x. Here we have more positives, so plus 1. And this is our solution. Okay, so we have positive in front of this parenthesis, positive times positive 2. We have 2x to the 3, positive times negative, minus x to the second, positive times positive, plus 5. Now here we have, this is a positive 6. On the second parenthesis we are distributing a negative sign, so negative times positive, negative 6x3, negative times positive, negative x to the second, negative times negative, positive x, negative times positive, minus 1. And now we just combine like terms. So we have 2 and negative 6 of x to the third plus negative 1 and negative 1 of x to the second plus x, there are no more like terms to go with this one, plus 5 minus 1. So we have difference between 2 and 6 4. We had more negative, so it's a negative 4. X to the 3, same sign, sum, so we have negative 2x to the second plus x plus 5 minus 1, 4. And this is our solution. If parenthesis is positive, you can just drop it. So we have 3/4 x to the second minus 2/3 of x minus 7. If it has a negative sign in front of it, you will have to change all of the signs. So this was positive 2/3. It will become negative 2/3 of x to the second. Negative times negative, positive 1/2 of x. Negative times positive, minus 2. And now we just need to combine like terms. So we have 3 out of 4 of x to the second minus 2 out of 3 plus negative 2 out of 3 plus 1/2 of x plus negative 7 minus 2. Okay, so for the first set of fractions we need common denominator, and least common denominator 4 and 3 will be 12. So we need to multiply 4 by 3. Whatever you do to denominator, do to numerator. We need to multiply 3 by 4. Same goes with the numerator. So we get least common denominator is 12. Then 3 times 3 is 9, minus 2 times 4, 8, plus second fraction has denominators of 3 and 2. Least common denominator would be 6. We need to multiply 3 by 2. Same goes into numerator. We need to multiply 2 by 3. Same goes into numerator. So least common denominator is 6. We have negative 2 times 2, negative 4, plus 1 times 3, 3 of x. Here we have same sign, we look for sum, and the sum of negative 7 and negative 2 will be negative 9. Now we have difference between 9 and 8 is 1 out of 12 of x to the second. Difference between 4 and 3 will be negative 1 because we have more negatives, out of 6 of x minus 9, and this is our solution. Here we have to simplify 3 separate parentheses. So first thing, just remove the parentheses. We have positive first parentheses, so we can just copy the inside. We have 8x plus 2. Second parenthesis has a negative, so we change all the signs on the inside. Positive x becomes negative x. Negative times negative, positive 7. Third parenthesis has a plus, we can just drop it, so it's a plus 3x plus 1. Now we need to combine like terms. We have 8, negative 1, plus 3 of x, plus 2, plus 7, plus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7, plus 3, we get 10x, plus 2 plus 7, 9, plus 1, we have 10. So it's 10x plus 10, and this is our solution. Similar problem. So positive parentheses, we can just drop it. So we have x minus 5. We have a negative, we're going to change all of the signs. For the second parenthesis, we have negative 2x minus 8. Same goes for the third parenthesis. We get negative 5x, negative times negative, plus 2. And now we just need to combine like terms. We have 1x here, negative 2, negative 5 of x, plus negative 5, negative 8, plus 2. 1 minus 2, we have negative 1 minus 5 of x, plus, same sign, we look for sum of 5 and 8, it will be negative 13 plus 2. Same sign, sum, we have negative 6 of x. Different signs, difference will be negative 11. And this is our solution. That's all.